It's been 4 months since I moved to Ireland. Let's chat about it. And in case you're new here, I'm from the States, but for the past 5 years, I was living in Vancouver, B.C. with my then boyfriend, who I just married in May of last year. And then in September, we packed up my daughter and my dog, and we moved to Ireland, which is where my husband is originally from. First things first, I have zero regrets. I was so confident in this decision, and honestly, the gut knows. Truly, the only times that I have messed up in life or made the wrong choice is when I have not listened to my gut. The family is thriving here. Fia, my daughter, is flourishing. My husband, Liam, is doing great. Of course, he's back close to his family again for the first time in 15 years, which is amazing. My pug, Walter, is loving his life here in Ireland. He has already taken on the role of security guard for the little area that we live in. We went from a small 2-bedroom apartment to a 4-bedroom house. So that was a huge upgrade for us. And it's crazy how quickly you get used to having more space, because now a 4-bedroom house is like a non-negotiable. I could not imagine having to go smaller. The peace here is unreal. My in-laws live like an 8-minute walk away. Having support nearby is a game changer. But personally, I am not thriving yet. And I think that that's normal. This move has been a massive life change for me. I'm rebuilding my routines, my work, my identity. I have to make new friends, figure out what it is that I enjoy here, figure out who I am here in Ireland. I really had high hopes to document this whole move, but honestly, I'm the type of person where if my life is in upheaval, I just go into survival mode, especially having a toddler who just turned 2 and the 2s are coming in hot. There's just been so much new, so much change. I really had to just focus on settling in and, trying to find my bearings here, which is still a work in progress. And I also think that there's a bigger kind of layer to it all. I haven't really felt like myself since pregnancy. The last few years have definitely been intense. I lost my dad. While I was in the depths of my grief process, we had to decide whether we wanted to try and have a kid, and then entered into our trying to conceive journey, got pregnant, birth, postpartum, being a first-time mom, planning a wedding, trying to grow a business, also planning for an international move. And life was just moving so fast, I was never really able to fully process it all. I'm turning 45 next month. I'm a mom now. I'm a wife again. I'm living in a totally different country. And I just kind of have this feeling like I've outgrown my old self, but haven't fully stepped into that next version yet. So I'm kind of in the messy middle, and not in a scary way, like when I hit rock bottom at 36, more of my soul is just kind of tapping on my shoulder and just reminding me that it's time to slow down, create space, process everything so that I can actually meet the woman that I'm becoming. There is nothing huge on the horizon that I have to put my energy into. Life has definitely slowed. There is more of an ease to it, and that's allowing me space and time to do that. And I'm continually reminded that you can have absolutely incredible things happening in your life, but still feel sad and uncertain and even a bit low at times. And that's basically where I am right now. I feel like I'm in a bit of a rut, but I'm also living a life that I used to dream about. So yeah, that is where I'm at right now. Figuring out how to connect who I am today with the version of me that I'm becoming, that I'm evolving into. So to be continued.